80% of online retailers say that email marketing is what drives most of their customer retention. With that said, here are the 5 best email marketing services. Number 1, Mailchimp. You can have up to 2,000 contacts in your list for free, and you get to send up to 10,000 emails. With that tier, you get access to marketing CRM features, segmentation, tags, surveys, campaign analytics, email automation, and more. Mailchimp also provides you with a drag and drop email builder alongside a broad collection of templates. Their premium plans start at $10 per month. However, you can't go wrong with the free tier. Number 2, Emma. On this platform, plans start at $89 per month. For that price, you get up to 10,000 contacts on your list and unlimited emails per month. It offers one of the most user-friendly interfaces on the market. You get real-time reporting and analytics, segmentation, A/B testing, and dynamic content, all using its basic plan. As you might expect, the platform also supports automation, and they have even more features worth checking out. Number 3, AWeber. This integrates with just about every platform you can imagine. There's a free plan that supports up to 500 contacts and enables you to send 3,000 emails per month. They only offer one premium plan, which starts at $19 if you opt for monthly billing. That plan supports unlimited contacts, email automation, dynamic content, A/B testing, and behavioral automation. There are also some interesting features like sending AMP-friendly emails, access to a library of stock photos, and so on. Number 4, Constant Contact. When it comes to e-commerce, look no further. The service's starter plan, which is called Email, can integrate with WooCommerce and segment customers based on purchase activity. You can send abandoned cart emails, collect online donations, and ask for event RSVPs. The service also includes ad functionality for multiple platforms, including Google Ads, Facebook, and Instagram. Starting at only $20 per month, it's worth looking into. And finally, number 5, ConvertKit. You can create landing pages, sell digital products, and sign up users to your email list. The service provides you with stylish templates for your emails and a powerful editor to customize them. You could also segment your audience, send automated emails, and design automation workflows using flowcharts. Although they offer a free tier, you won't get the most out of the service unless you opt for a plan starting at $29 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Then there you go. Those are the 5 best email marketing services available. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.